Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystem.com. Making this small video as a weekly recap and trades taken last week. So let's get it started. Week started on December 1st, right? And this is the first trade, a lot of trades. So let's get started here with this 7-minute chart of USD yen. And you can see the small trade buy orders right there. My entry is is according to a setup. With the setup, and the setup has 4 rules, right? So once the 4 rules are there, my EA open the trade and also alarm beep, and I can open the trade manually if I'm not using EA, right? So this is how it is. This small arrow shows that these trades are opened by the EA automatically, and SL is always 20 pip. So this is how it is. 55 pip here on the gold trade, 150 box size. This is the entry, and 170 pip right there. On the first, on the second, Euro Aussie small trade, but for 80 pip. This is I think it's 20-minute chart, and sell orders right there. Now this one is pound Aussie on the second, and 50 pip only here. Because they move a lot, and when they move like 150, 140 pip, give you 150, 40 pip trade easy. But this one, that's what I said, this is a small trade. Now this one is S&P 500, entry is right there, taken by the EA from 60.25 to 60.46. This one is NASDAQ from here, from 20904 to 21179. Big trade here, right? And this is also no, this is probably manual. Yeah, I don't see the arrow here. So this one is Euro Yen taken by the EA. First entry was bad, second entry, boom, all the way down for 145 pip. This is why a lot of people ask me that I don't show my losers. This is how it is. So for example, I opened the trade here, and my SL was right there, just above the high or the low, whatever it is at the time of the entry, right? And that is always 25 pip. So the entry was there, and then SL hit. I lost 25 pip here, but the setup was still there. The second setup, the entry was taken here, and after that is 145 pip. So take out the 25 pip out of there, right? So you can do the math. That's how I don't pay attention to the losers. They are there, but they are very insignificant. This one, pound yen, you can see this entry here. This is no losses here. See this beautiful setup, beautiful entry, and after that, gone with the wind. 110 pip here, right? And this one also, you can see the first entry, and then price never came back. So there was no loser here. If I would take this one, let's say, right, it will go there. My SL is at break even, and this will come out and take it out. Then again, I will take this one and then go all the way. That's how it is, right? So this is GJ going down, right, all the way here for 110 pip. From 7-minute chart, Euro Yen from 7-minute chart, 90 pip. And here they are all on the second, by the way. Aussie Yen from 7-minute. This is the beautiful entry taken by the EA. Sell orders right there for 90 pip. Yen was getting strong, so all yen pip went down. This is also taken by the EA, 55 pip, pound USD. This is Euro Yen now. They are going up. After hitting, see the buy order is right there, right? And this was, I think, was taken manually because I don't see the arrow here. Right, I took this one, so hit this one, gone with the wind. By the way, this SL was hit at break even when the price goes 25 pip, and I come and sit on a break even. So that's how. Sometimes I don't get the chance to come and sit on a break even, so lose 20 pip, 25 pip, sometimes 10 pip, sometimes 15 pip, like that. On the third, USD yen 7-minute chart going down for 75 pip. Pound yen, beautiful entry taken by the EA on the third of 150 pip. Euro yen going up from buy orders right there, and this is where I think the first entry got hit, the SL hit, and then it went up there, right? So 20 pip lost here out of 20 minus 90. You do the math. Always positive, always positive. Even if you lose, always positive. See right here, short sitting on a break even, it hits the SL, then again short, and then 100 pip. So what do I lose here? Nothing. That's how it is. This is the first entry. SL never hit, and 100 pip on USD yen 20-minute long on the fourth. Pound yen going up long from from the 20-minute chart for 100 pip. This was the entry. This was one of the first entry I showed you, right? After that, this one I missed, and I think the first one I closed here somewhere, and then it went up. The first entry I got this one, and gone with the wind. And here again, CAD yen also gave me a good entry here, and that's 80 pip, right? And this is buy order is right there for 90 pip, pound yen going to the upside. They went up big time. Euro yen 100 pip, and EA took the entry. I really suggest that if you're interested, just buy the EA and then take it from there. This is pound USD 7-minute chart. This is how was 75 pip on the 5th. On the 6th, which was Friday, and here pound Aussie going long 75 pip. Right? First entry. This is the first entry, Euro Aussie for 85 pip, going to the upside. This was the second entry, also good. Third entry, also good, right? The system give a lot of entries. Sell order is right there. EA opened the trade, right? And it gone. This one, I was not sitting on a break even. I moved my SL, and that's why you can see that. Otherwise, this would have gone, and then this would be the entry, right? But the EA opened the trade here, and then somehow, going to break even function was disabled on the EA at the time, so it didn't come on the break even, and I was saved still here, right? And but if it is, it would be on the break even on 20 pip or 25 pip, you can set it up whatever you feel like. Then it would be gone. But then again, EA would open this entry anyway, right? So this from here to here is probably like 20 pip. So instead of 65, you would be making like 45, no problem. So this was the last trade on the 6th, right? So if you're interested and you like what you saw, you can go to my website here at creativetrading system.com. And this is where you can find monthly subscription, one-on-one coaching, 10-hour course, 5-hour course, video courses. If you don't want to do one-on-one, just buy the video courses. Very cheap, harmonic pattern course, Elliott wave course, right? And then here are the robots, the one that I'm using. Where the heck those are? Robots, right here, trading robots, right? And there's another version. It is called CTS Sniper. This is what I use to trade most of those trades you saw. CTS 5 Live. Okay, that it comes handy, very, very handy. When I'm not here, I'm not watching the trade, I'm sleeping or doing something else, I can just, if I know where the thing is going, then I just put the EA and make it long only, short only. You have an option, long only, or long or short both, or you select that, okay, I don't want to go long. Even if there is setup, I don't want to go long. I want only the short setup because it's all the way to the top, right? So sometimes the price goes, try to make a double top and give you a long entry all the way on the top. You don't want that. So you can select in this EA, Expert Advisor Robot, that, no, I don't want no long. I only want the short. When it starts to drop and you give me the short entry, that's what I want. So you go short from the top, you go long from the bottom. That's the way it is, right? So this is it for now. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get the videos. And I'm going to make a new video, and it would be about some good setups, right? Up for upcoming week, the next week. So let's see, right? So bye for now, and thanks for watching the video. And like I said, do subscribe to the channel, and talk to you guys later.